Hi, this video tutorial will show you how to use my savings tracker. Now this Excel spreadsheet is on Google Sheets and it encompasses 6 different savings trackers all in one spreadsheet. So the first tab we have is the emergency fund savings and house savings tab. Then we have the vacation and car savings tab. And then lastly, we have the 52-week savings challenge and the $5,000 savings challenge. Now, first of all, if you wanted to save for something different, it is very easy to change this and save for something completely different. It does not have to be everything that is written here. So, for example, if you wanted to save for school, all you have to do literally is say school and school. So now it is a school savings. It's totally easy. Now, and then you would have to right click here and hit rename and then say and school. So there you go. It's very simple to change this. Okay, so then let's start here on the very left. So this is the emergency fund savings. So you've got your savings goal. This adds up everything that's on this column here. The next thing is the saved to date. So everything that has a checkbox is going to be saved. So everything that's in pink right here will be added up towards your saved to date. So that the sum is 170 and that is 170. So as you check off the boxes, it's going to add up everything that's in this box here. Then your goal date, you can double click in here. You can set a goal date for whatever you want, and then it'll calculate how many days you have left towards your goal. And this also calculates the percentage saved. So this is the percent of the saved date divided by the savings goal. This chart here shows you what your savings goal is, how much you've saved so far. So you can click on it and it'll show you, yay, you saved 1,000, and then save to date. Oh no, savings goal is 1,040, sorry. And then your save to date is $190. Okay, cool thing about this is that you can change your savings goal anytime. So let's uncheck all of these boxes here. Okay, so say you want to do something completely different, right? So say you want to save $100 at a time. You just go in here and put 100, 100, 100, and so on. And then now your savings goal changes and increases. So if you want to start, say you want to save $100 a month, that's your goal. You just go for it. Okay. Oops. Whatever you want to do. And then so say you started saving, on the 6th of, let's go back to okay, so say you started saving in December, checked it off. January, you check it off. You check it off. So as you go, it'll show you how much you've saved. Pretty cool, huh? School savings, it works the same way. Now this one was a $25,000 one. This one was the house savings. Because who doesn't want to save for their house, right? Unless you got a cool house already. So if you want to save $500 every time, you put that in there and then you make your savings. I'm going to change this back to house because that's what I want to save for. Okay, next one is vacation and car savings. Same thing. You set it up the same exact way. Check things off as you save. If you want to change your savings goal, you don't want to click in here because this is formulas and these are going to be added up automatically. So if you mess up, there's a little box on the very top left that you can undo it. So yeah, leave those formulas be. You can just change your numbers in here. Okay. Now, 52-week savings challenge. That one, it's kind of fun. So you save $1 the first week, $2 the next week, $3 the next, and so on, all the way up to 52 weeks. And then it adds up to $1,378. And then each week you just put your date in and check it off as you did it. A lot of people have, envelope savings and they put their savings in envelopes and do it this way. So that's kind of cool. And then your $5,000 savings challenge is another popular one. I've got it set up as $100 at a time. and there are 50 different ones. So you could do it 50 weeks, you can do it 50 months, however you want to do it. You set your goal up however you want, and then, you try to work towards that goal. So that is how to use the savings tracker, you guys. I'm so excited for you. I'd love to hear from you. Feel free to reach out to me at my shop and let me know how your savings is going.